What's the meaning of amenorrhea? Amenorrhea. 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 Amenorrhea.
Amenorrhea is a medical term used to describe the absence or cessation of menstrual periods in women of reproductive age. There are two types of amenorrhea, primary and secondary. Primary amenorrhea refers to the lack of menstruation by the age of 16, while secondary amenorrhea refers to the absence of periods for at least 3 consecutive months in women who have previously had regular menstrual cycles. Amenorrhea can be caused by a variety of factors, including pregnancy, hormonal imbalances, thyroid disorders, eating disorders, excessive exercise, and certain medications. The consequences of amenorrhea can include infertility, bone loss, and other health problems.